Alright guys, so I got everything loaded up. We headed to the machine shop to have this block punched out, have freeze plugs put in, cam bearings put in, crank balanced. We're going 347 as y'all know. Got the Scat crank loaded up. It's got HB or 8 I-beam rods, and then DSS pistons, and then the King cam bearings. Don't have the freeze plugs or my flex plate. Oh, and got the got my harmonic balancer, so they can balance it all up. But headed up, loaded out. Peace. Yep. Short trip. Got everything loaded up. Went to the machine shop and they was closed. I would never have thought that on a Saturday, but it is what it is. I'll try again Monday, or I'm also going to reach out to some friends and look for some other machine shops and see what I can turn up. But that's that. Sorry, anticlimactic update, but appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, do all those things. Help me grow the channel. Kevin, the Blind Luck Mechanic. Peace, y'all.